Paul, EPA audits have been on the rise in recent years. Could you explain to us what exactly an EPA audit is?
Yeah, I've had a lot of clients recently going through EPA audits, and generally what the EPA is concerned about is generation and disposal of hazardous waste. So an EPA audit typically consists of EPA inspector showing up unannounced at your place of business to conduct an inspection of the facility and ensure more or less that you're in compliance with the regulations and rules governing your hazardous waste generation.
So if an EPA agent would show up at someone's place of business, what should be the first thing that person should do?
That's a tough question, and I think that the best answer is you should already have a plan in place of how to deal with or respond to a potential EPA audit or an investigation. EPA inspectors do not need a warrant to come into your facility, and if you refuse to allow them to enter, they will issue what's called a denial of entry notice, which could potentially escalate your case or trigger investigations by other federal agencies. So the best thing to do is to be prepared ahead of time, make sure you know what to expect if an audit is potentially coming down the line, and have policies and procedures in place that you can follow.
Would an attorney be helpful in these types of situations?
Absolutely. If you're concerned about whether you have any kind of EPA compliance obligations, I definitely recommend that you talk to an attorney who can help you navigate that and get set up and prepared ever in case you have to deal with something like that.
And if a potential client was facing an EPA audit, could they call you to discuss their options?
Yes, of course. And we also have a team, a group of compliance experts and folks who would be ready to spring into action and develop and put into place your compliance program and protocols.